In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro Board. We'll create a clean, focused mood board from scratch so you can capture ideas, explore directions, and present them clearly. Start by opening Miro and creating a new board. Give it a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, something like Brand Mood Board, April 2026. Think of this board as your visual workspace, an infinite canvas where you can collect, arrange, and refine everything in one place. Next, set up a dedicated area with the Frame tool. Click Frame, draw out a large rectangle, and resize it to feel like your canvas. Rename the frame, for example, Mood Board Concepts, so collaborators instantly know what they're looking at. Keeping your work inside a frame makes it easier to navigate, export, and share. Before dropping in visuals, define the theme. Decide on the overall style: minimalist, bold, luxury, or playful. The key colors you'll explore, and the target audience you want to speak to. Add a small text box at the top of the frame with a 1 or 2 sentence description of the vibe. This keeps your creative direction anchored as you build. Now add images and inspiration. You can drag and drop files from your computer, copy and paste directly from websites, or use Miro's built-in image search. Mix in photos, graphics, UI designs, and even social posts that reflect your direction. Aim for clear, high-quality visuals, and give yourself a variety to start. If you're collecting items from the web, make sure you have the right to use them. Create your color palette using simple shapes or sticky notes. Fill each with a brand color, arranging them from primary to accent tones. This quick color strip becomes your reference for consistency as you refine the board. For typography, upload font samples or screenshots and add a few text examples like headlines and captions. Seeing fonts in context helps you evaluate tone, readability, and how well they pair with your images and colors. Organize the layout by grouping elements into clear sections: images, colors, fonts, and broader inspiration. Keep spacing generous and balanced so nothing feels cramped. Alignment guides in Miro make it easy to line things up neatly. Add notes and labels to explain decisions, jot down why a particular image belongs, and include keywords such as modern, soft aesthetic, or high contrast. These quick tags make your thinking transparent. Refine by removing anything that doesn't serve the theme. Keep only strong, consistent visuals. Less truly is more. Finally, share the board with your team or client, invite feedback, and make revisions. Collaboration is the point, and Miro makes it easy to iterate until the direction